The safety of Chinese cars is again in the spotlight following a crash test conducted in South America that saw a car awarded 0 stars out of 5. The crash test involved a Geely, the brand that recently bought safety pioneer Volvo. Latin NCAP, the recently launched South American version of Europe's new car assessment program, gave the Geely CK compact sedan no stars out of a possible 5. Geely plans to launch on the Australian market soon, although it's expected that the brand will put more emphasis on safety here than in developing markets, where protective measures are often stripped out to make vehicles more affordable. Latin NCAP found the Geely CK offered poor protection to most parts of the driver's body, while chest protection was rated as weak. It noted that although the test car had a switch to deactivate the front passenger seat airbag, the car sold in South American markets was not fitted with them. Not that they would have helped. Probably any airbags in this car would not improve the weak body shell integrity, the report of the crash test reads. Latin NCAP also criticised the presence of an airbag switch in the CK, which it said could mislead consumers to think that they have an airbag-equipped car. The result suggests Geely has plenty to learn about safety. Although it has one of the best teachers, Volvo has built up an enviable reputation for safety excellence. Great Wall Motors is the only Chinese brand on sale in Australia at the moment, although it will be closely followed by a Chery and Geely, with others reportedly circling.